How to install Ansible in Debian 12 Bookworm. The easiest way to install the latest version of Ansible and maintain up-to-date in Debian 12 using apt and the main default repository. So the good news is that Ansible is already maintained inside Debian using the default main repository accessible throughout apt, the package manager of Debian and Ubuntu. Okay, as you can see, we just started with a freshly Debian 12 just out of the installation. This is a very simple and traditional Debian 12 server. Let me show you with lsb_release. Here we go. We have a distribution ID Debian, Debian GNU Linux 12, Bookworm release 12. Cool, pretty cool. Okay, the first things that we need to do is actually update our repository to 3 throughout the official mirror. Let me use apt-get update to fetch the latest available packages from the net. Okay, now we can start searching from Ansible using apt-get, but apt-cache search Ansible. Okay, now the best part is actually that we are able to show more information about Ansible. This is the package 7.3.0 and that rely as a dependency on Ansible core 2.14.3. I think this is a pretty good release because it's pretty stable, and I'm really proud of the 2.14 release, and was released in 2023 and well maintained by the community. Okay, when we decide which version of Ansible, the full package of Ansible or only the core, we just need to hit apt-get install, and the Debian distribution will be able to resolve all the dependency. As you can see, there are many Python packages because Ansible is based on Python. So we just need to wait until all these components were actually downloaded inside our system. As you can see, we are downloading 30 megabytes of archive from the internet, and after that, we are going to use 293 megabits of additional disk space in our system. This is a very good news that Ansible package is actually maintained inside the main repository, because the main repository is maintained directly by the Debian package community, which means that every time we are going to update our system, also Ansible will be updated. The security patches will be always available inside the distribution, and we don't need to, for example, add some extravagant package repository that in the end of the day we are going to add additional packages to maintain. We just need to start our system and start installing our package. As you can see, this is the real time of execution in my machine. The performance on your machine might vary, depends by the connection speed and the performance of your system. That is perfect. apt, the package manager, was taking care of downloading, installing and verifying and setting up all the necessary dependencies. Now we can start with fun. So first of all, let me verify that Ansible is successfully installed. As you can see this time that we are going to interrogate the apt-cache show that the package was successfully installed. We can also verify using apt-list -- installed Ansible, that is going to show us the same result. As expected, release 7.3.0 of Ansible and 2.14.3 of Ansible core are installed in my system. Now the sky is the limit. We just need to use the Ansible command to use in our automation. As you can see, using -- version, now we can interrogate the command line execution system. Ansible is the most easy command for new learner because it enables you to execute ad hoc commands, but sooner you're gonna move to Ansible-playbook to execute some recipe and performing more tasks and orchestrate your network. So, as I said before, now the sky is the limit and you have successfully installed Ansible in Debian 12 using apt, the package manager of the distribution. Yay, I'm so excited to hear your success story. And now the sky is the limit. Let's automate more. Yay!